Let me tell you something right now. If you're trying to lose weight or get into better shape, gain more muscle, whatever goals that you want to do, guess what? You're not alone. Almost every single person, now I don't know the actual stat, but almost every single person who makes a New Year's resolution thinks of something related to their health, wanting to improve their health. And guess what? It's not that hard to improve your health. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and say it's gonna be really easy. That's not what I mean. What I mean is what you can do is design a system that'll benefit your health. So what I mean by this is constantly tracking what you're doing. For example, if you say, man, I just wanna run 3 days a week, and you just can't stick to that, try to figure out what might be in the way. So let's say you say, okay, I'm gonna run after work. Well, what you can do is identify when you come home, what's the first thing that you're thinking when you walk in the door? It's probably, oh, let me just sit down on the couch. And guess what? As soon as you sit down, then you pull out your phone or you start watching something and it's just so nice. You just think, oh, I'll just go on a run tomorrow. And you put it off. It's one day. It's not that big of a deal. Well, guess what? That one day that you just push that off, that's you basically letting yourself down in your mind. And now you don't even trust yourself. Now that's a dangerous place to be. If you can't trust yourself, then you can't even hold yourself accountable. But let me paint a different picture. Maybe you walk home and all of a sudden you see the couch and you're like, oh, I want to sit down. But before the couch, there's already your running shoes and your clothes and maybe some earbuds too, and or some sunglasses, whatever you're gonna take on that run. And you think, oh man, I should probably go for a run. What we really did is we already started the habit. We removed the friction from starting a new task, because what we really did is made the habit of putting out his clothes the night before. The habit wasn't when he came home, he immediately wanted to go run. No, he just saw his clothes there. And that's one way that you can just close the system and have it work for you instead of you working for it. So jumping back to my previous point, it really isn't that hard to improve our health when really what we can do is just establish the habit to make it easier to improve our health. But really, you still need to do work. You still need to develop the habit of putting your clothes out. So why don't you start simple and think of something that maybe you want to do. Maybe it is going for a run, or maybe it's reading at night, or in the morning taking a cold shower. Whatever it is that you want to implement, start thinking, how can I start this process earlier? You're already thinking about it the next day. In fact, we actually often dread on this when we're trying to fall asleep. We're just constantly thinking, okay, what do I need to do tomorrow? How do I need to prepare? And that's a great system that we have. If we're able to prep the night before, not only is it easier and we actually do the task, but we also even sleep better, because now you're laying there, you're thinking, man, like I don't have to worry about that at all. I can just think about anything. That's amazing, just connecting that. So next time you're thinking about changing or implementing something to improve your health, just think about that. Think about habits.